Scoutmaster of all Scouts be with us till we meet again.
Announcement, please. Please listen very well. After this, you will have your break, your recess. What time is it? 10:15. Okay, it is now, siguro 10 o'clock, no? 10 o'clock. At 10:30, we will come back here inside the team, days 4, 5, and 6, to have our practice for the mass sport. Excuse me. I'm not yet through. Boys,